tired of the stress and impression from all your bullshit. You running full stride with your pride, girl, it's cool with me. Flee, cause my heart you lose it. This nigga that you fool with, you claiming you just cool with, can have you. This battle is not in my hands. Another man as your saddle, not in the plans. Now our plans has been damaged. Plans of a marriage vanished like magic. I'm saying, bitch, you nasty. I ought to take this ratchet and put you in the casket. Was tragic. You won't admit that you wrong. Shit, you the fucking reason that was missing is gone. Shit, you the fucking reason we ain't speaking at all. You the fucking reason that I'm spitting this song. And you a slut for creeping, had them hitting it raw. I'm sick as a dog and deep down feelings are gone. I'm free in my mind, I'm clearing my thoughts. It might hurt you, but I don't give a fuck. Now I don't give a fuck. In this relationship, I'm about to give it up. And girl, your attitude, I'm tired of switching up. I can't be mad at dude. Bitch, I'm mad at you. You're not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool. You're not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool. You're not cool with me. Now everything I asked about is adding up. The difference in the way you act, forgot, well I'ma play that back. Ask you, would you do me dirty? No sir, never that. Ask you, girl, do you be flirting? You should know me better, Dash. I thought I did, you brought my kid in this world to fuck around on her father with an example of a woman. You said you'd rather die than be pampered by another. Still you managed to dismantle us, sleeping under covers with another man. I hope inside you suffering, especially when you see me with another chick, another hand holding mine. You told me I'm the only one, obvious you told a lie. I'm cold as ice, you know you wrong, you know I'm right, I hope you die. You ain't worth the flowers, hold your sour. I wish you long nights and a lot of slow hours. I wish you long fights, fix your face, why you frowning up? Bitch, you foul as fuck. Hold up, I tried to beg you to stay, he convinced you to leave. I told you never play with me, you MVP'd. I tried to make shit right, you went to the left, put that knife in my back, went through my chest and ripped through a nigga heart. Girl, you left me a mess, in a pool full of anguish, depression and stress. How you shitting on a dude that made sure you survived? The nigga that can put up with all your bitching and lies. A nigga that can see your feelings when you hide them inside. I swear if you had to die, I would give you my life. Damn, hand you my soul and wouldn't think twice about the consequences. Cause commitment a price. Now every time I see this pussy nigga living my life, it's a reminder that you lied to me square in my eyes. You took a piece of my pride, my peace of my mind. In due time, I'll be alright. But for now, I don't give a fuck. Now I don't give a fuck. In this relationship, I'm about to give it up. And girl, your attitude, I'm tired of switching up. I can't be mad at dude. Bitch, I'm mad at you. You're not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool. You're not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool, not cool. You're not cool with me.